And I'll be your host for today. I am a PhD student here at IIT Kanpur. I have Janvi as my co-host. Janvi, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Janvi. I'm a Y20 student and I volunteer with class 10 teaching mathematics and social science. I'd like to introduce our speaker and guest, Miss Anupama Heri, who has been working in the development sector for over 17 years, and she has experience working in fields like child rights, education, volunteer management, and we are glad to have her here and look forward to hearing from her.
Yes. So I guess we can ask Anupma ji to begin with her presentation.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. Or a few days back, that was my first interaction with a few of you, and I was very happy to know about the work Prayas does. And, just what Atika said, and Janvi very graciously put in a little intro. I've been working with CRY for quite a few years now, and my work specifically is on volunteering and all the national level volunteering programs which CRY runs. I personally, try to look into it along with my team, with my colleagues who are spread out nationally. And that brought me to, actually explore Prayas does and what IIT Kanpur stands for, what are the students interested in, because we work with many such colleges and youngsters like you across India. And the reason behind is as simple as everyone should get a taste of volunteering at least once in their lifetime, in whatever form, whether they do it with CRY, without CRY, that doesn't matter, that is secondary. But any form of volunteering is, I feel that it's a must do. Now, when we got discussing that day, that was the way when we said that can we meet more. Perhaps I would like to share why I feel so passionately about volunteering. You can counter me, you can bring in your thoughts. So it won't be like anything which I preach, because honestly, I think all of you are so full of your own experiences and learnings. All of you bring in so much of newness into anything which the work which you people do directly with children. Uh, every day must be bringing huge learning, right? A lot of new insights which we can learn from. The idea was that maybe this will give the way to open up future possibilities of working together, getting to learn from each other, promote the cause of child rights. So here I come, and there's a very little presentation, but since the team is small as of now, can we just quickly catch up? If you can just switch on your video and just let me know, like, which year, which subject are you studying, how are you associated? Very quickly, maybe just take 10, 20 seconds and say that. I always feel very happy knowing about that.
So we'll unmute each one by one. We can begin with Nishant Akanksha. निशांत को तो मैम आप जानती होंगी you must meeting. He's
Correct.
also yeah. So we
Hello,
can
ma'am.
unmute.
I'm Nishant Trivedi. I'm doing my BS in Mathematics and Scientific Computing, and I am second year undergraduate, and I am manager in Prayas.
Neeraj Akanksha Neeraj को
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Neeraj. I am doing Cognitive Science Masters. This is my second year, and I am volunteering in Prayas.
Great. That sounds very interesting, if I may ask. Because of my ignorance, how would you describe it to a layperson like me?
So we study about mind, brain, and behavior, and we use computational tools to study them. Computational approach.
Really nice that such different subjects are around and people study it. Wonderful. Thanks so much, Neil.
Thank you.
Who goes next?
next we can Unmute
Hi.
yourself and turn your video on.
Yeah. 1 second.
Yeah, sure. Everybody, you guys can turn your videos on. It would be great to see you, all your faces.
Hi.
Actually, I thoroughly enjoy if you can show me faces, because then I feel like I'm not really talking to a blank screen. That is somewhat reassuring, but of course, depending on your internet and bandwidth. Yeah, please go.
Hi, I'm Raghav. I'm a Bio-20 first year student and I'm pursuing electrical engineering.
Okay, great.
Chavi.
Hi, I'm Chavi. I'm first year undergraduate student pursuing BS in Mathematics and Scientific Computing.
Okay.
Next, Samiksha.
Hello, my name is Samiksha Deswal. I'm doing my second year and my branch is Material Science and Engineering.
Okay, okay, great.
Hello, Nikita. Can you please introduce yourself? Nikita?
She's muted.
Yeah, she can unmute you. Nikita, you can unmute yourself and introduce yourself. Perhaps कुछ internet का issue है. Gautam, yeah, we can come back. We'll come back to you later, Nikita.
Yeah, sure.
Gautam, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Gautam. I'm a first year undergraduate studying aerospace engineering, and I'm volunteering at Prayas.
Bhumi, hello Bhumi. Please introduce yourself. You are on mute. Bhumi, unmute yourself.
So I'm Bhumi Chaudhary, first year Material Science branch, and I'm a volunteer at Prayas.
Okay, nice to know you.
Hello, Nikita, if you can hear us, we would love to have your introduction as well. Please unmute yourself and see if we can, if the interconnectivity is fine.
I think she's facing some issues. No problem. Wapas se agar if she's like, sometimes there's an issue, we can just catch up once, like we take 1 or 2 interactive sessions and breaks, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, lovely. Have we covered everyone, or we are missing out on anyone?
Yeah, I think we have covered everyone.
Right. Atika, Darshana, Nishant. I had met all of you last time.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So thank you again. And what I was planning, honestly, I did not make it a very text and content heavy stuff, which I did not want intentionally. The purpose is that some very simple thoughts which we felt that when we say that what means volunteering, or why someone should be doing it, or are there any mantras about what volunteering should be or should not be, or ideally when you're working with children, what are the things we as CRY have felt that is really important. That day also I was telling to this group, or I keep meeting many young people every day. So I was telling someone that, believe me, while you are studying, and I'm so happy because IIT Kanpur is one of the most premier institutes, and it attracts the best minds of the country. So glad that you time out and do something for children. That itself is a wonderful step forward. What I try to bring in is the way CRY has seen the programs running, or how young people react or respond to such things, and what in the process we have learned. Right? Most of my learnings have come after I had finished my degree. You will perhaps talk the same thing when you reach my age, which is like quite many years later. But when I would study in a college or university, we are getting the best possible teachers teaching us the best books, we know everything. The once I stepped into the field and started my work, started interacting with people, I understood that many of the things I learned when I was actually learning in a campus are away from what the world needs. मुझे consciously कभी-कभी बहुत कुछ चीज को नेगेट करना पड़ा, मुझे उसको साइड में रख देना पड़ा, एंड दैट वाज डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज वी आर कंडीशनड एंड वी ग्रो अप फीलिंग दैट वी नो इट ऑल, राइट? और उसके बाद अगर कुछ चीज लग रहा है ऐसे काम नहीं होता, ये ऐसे बच्चों के साथ काम नहीं हो पाएगा, क्योंकि आप लिटरली एक थ्योरी को बिठाना चाहते हो, पर beauty of, rather I would say not the challenge, but the beauty of working with human beings is that nothing is predictable, and it's not fixed in a formula that you base it like this and you will get a very predictive result. So with that, I have a very small presentation. I will just open it. I will be sharing certain ideas. Just let me know if you are able to see it. Are you?
Yes,
Yeah.
So that's the topic, and actually why do you volunteer? All of you may be having your personal reasons. I would love to hear that. That day I was asking a few of you the same thing. आपको volunteering अचानक से क्यों करने का मन? सबके अलग-अलग intentions होते हैं. Now, since I have been like working over a decade with CRY, मेरा कंडीशनिंग क्राई के काम से कुछ ज्यादा हुआ है, पर एक दो चीजें जो मुझे अभी भी बहुत छूती है, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर दैट विद यू, इज प्योरली द वे द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिगन, राइट? So it was, the photo is of our founder Ripon Kapoor, and years back in mid 70s and late 70s, he was a very young airline purser, comfortably placed, बहुत ग्लोब में बहुत जगह घुमा करते थे, एयर इंडिया में काम करते थे, so it would take him to places, he would have like, he grew up in a very comfortable surroundings in Mumbai, went to the best possible schools, पर उसको जो उनको लगता था कि कभी-कभी कि अरे सब कुछ ठीक है, everything is right in my life, but somewhere I feel guilty when I see that there are so many children around not getting their share of what I experienced in my childhood. हैं, अभी भी लड़कियों की शादी हो जाती है, children are not completing their education, or things, imagine 1970s you not, because you were born far later, but at that time India was like GDP wasn't really doing well, while foreign aid was coming in, but otherwise socio-economic parameters के हिसाब से देखिएगा तो खास अच्छा कुछ नहीं जा रहा. So he said that, can I do something for the most vulnerable children, जो सबसे गरीब हैं, सबसे पिछड़े हुए हैं, किसी न किसी तरह से उन लोग marginalized हैं, वो हम मेरे तरह आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं. And that's not like you, a couple of you friends have come together, you inspire your friends group, your juniors to join every year on year for prayers. Same way he used to discuss it very often with a few close friends. Or believe me, it sounds unbelievable, सिर्फ 50 रुपए से क्राई शुरू हुआ था 1979, and that was 7 rupees each by every member, and Ripon gave an 8, and that made it 50. क्योंकि वो पैसा लगता था to register an organization, right? जब भी ये बोलती हूँ, बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ, और जब मैं ज्वाइन की थी मैंने भी ये हिस्ट्री और अच्छे से जाना था. It still gives me goosebumps. But how can seemingly such a little amount, and just a few of them who did not have like lot of experience कि मैं masters in social work करके आया हूँ, या मैं बाहर से कुछ डिग्री लेके आया हूँ, public policy पढ़ के आया हूँ, कोई इनमें से वैसे नहीं थे. All were into like random different professions, right? He was an airline person, कोई advertising line में था, कोई legal line में था, और इस तरह के लोग. So what I want to start off with is the sheer, आपका कोई भी ड्रीम, आज अगर आप IIT कानपुर पहुंचे हो, there was some dream in you, right? बचपन में कोई किसी इंस्पिरेशन से हुआ, फिर आपको लगा कि मुझे वो करना है, और कभी वो लगता था कि बाप रे मैं कर पाऊंगी या कर पाऊंगा, because it seemed too big for you and it proved to be quite scary, but you never gave up, right? The same in this case, that when they started CRY was nothing, right? It was just a vision. We want to do something about children. We want to work with Indian children, with Indian money. That was the dream, because not foreign aid उस समय आता था. वो audaciousness जो था कि Indian children के लिए हम लोग कुछ कर सकते हैं. Starting with that very simple line which still defines the way we work. Is it what I can do, I will do, or I must do. हमेशा नहीं क्या बहुत बड़ा कुछ चीज से शुरू कर पाओगे. Right? Every little step. For you people, it's prayas, and that every year we work with so many children, teaching them and at least trying to expose them to the best possible learning. कि उन लोग भी gradually better choices life में शायद कर पाए. आप ही की तरह उन लोग भी आगे बढ़ पाए. With that dream. So that dream has to be something which sometimes should give you butterflies in your stomach. Right? बहुत आसान सा dream है. चलो 5 बच्चों को कुछ आइसक्रीम खिलाते हैं. Counted. But if you dream really big and that's something which scares you, but yet is a vision which you can inspire other people by, that's what Christ stood for. And we have completed 42 years of being there. Right? And every little step I have heard, like the first few years, everyone volunteered for the organization. There wasn't like, abhi hum log staff hain, we are paid, we are employees. Initial years, everyone would chip in, their free time and come in just the way you people are. So that's how it got started. Now, when I say that that's how we got started, and in the process, how we started volunteering for the organization, right? There is one very funny story which I heard about Ripon, that he would go on asking, koi bhi mil jaye, अरे मैं आके कुछ मेरी मदद कर दो. He would not feel ashamed कि अरे मैं किससे मांग रहा हूँ, क्यों मांग रहा हूँ. तो उसका एक माचो टाइप का एक दोस्त था, उसका एक बहुत अच्छा सा बुलेट था, and he would just roam around. So he got hold of him and said that, I need your help, and please, I need volunteers for my work. We can't do it alone. We are a small team. He said, what can I do? Because he was quite clueless about the work. ऐसा नहीं था कि he was very interested on child rights. तो कहता बताओ किस आता नहीं है. कहते no, you have a bullet. I have to go around, Bombay, meeting possible sponsors, possible supporters. हमेशा मेरे पास पैसे नहीं होते हैं कि मैं कैब करूं और ये करूं. मुझे कभी-कभी फ्री राइड दे दिया करो. I have to go to that office, and so इतना ही जरूर. And he would just come in his bullet. He was clueless कि क्या हो रहा है, कि मुझे उतना समझ नहीं है, पर हाँ मैं आपको मैं 2-3 बार में कहीं इधर-उधर पहुंचा देना है, so I will give you a ride. And that person ended up giving so many free rides just कि अच्छा आप लोग कुछ अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, मुझे उतनी समझ नहीं है, पर अगर मैं ये एस्पेक्ट में मदद कर सकता हूँ जरूर से. When varied people saying that you can make a difference. You need not always be extremely skilled and passionate and visionary to help. Right? So there are innumerable such stories. There are, videos up there, and you can always watch, and for subsequent discussions we may. I always try to pick up what we learned on the way. While I haven't seen the earlier years, but have heard a lot of stories, met many colleagues from that time, to the point where we started to professionalize volunteering program in the country, in CRY, and that's where we came in, started it formally as like a chapter and as a team. It always helps if you start early. The earlier, the better. I will tell you why later, right? When you open it up as a discussion, and you might. That's how I have observed it. It's not something I believe in, right? Because belief is a very opinion-based thing. आज जानवी को एक तरह लगता होगा, आज भूमि को दूसरा लगता होगा. But is it like something which you have really seen as a pattern? And what does it prove? Right? So that's a question you stay with, you think over. But it really is. Actually, a lot of global research has said that if a child starts volunteering at the age of 10, right, they grow up to be, they grow up to become far more confident adults, far more responsible and sensitive citizens. Right? There are, very systematic research which shows that how it influences the way you act and react to social realities, how you become what you eventually become, and how you feel yourself to be like in a position of responsibility. it changes lives. Now, it is a very standard line we keep saying when we say, array, we volunteer. When we say it changes lives, it's not only about, in your case, the children, in our case, the children. Of course it does. For volunteering, very importantly too, and equally important rather, is that it changes you. And it impacts you beyond the way you think, and beyond the at times you realize that you have been impacted by it. So another thing which I have seen while I was working, my work started in east of India, and we heard a lot of, work. I have seen a lot of, groups working, interacted with them day in, day out, and shifted to national programs, which thankfully, led me to other regions and their work. But every time many volunteers, I will show you some verbatim quotes, which are volunteers sometimes, in meetings, or sometimes when they write, they tell us. And I thought rather than me telling you that what it means, I would rather show you what they say about it. And you might say that whether that makes sense. Diverse nature of volunteering. अगर आप लोग अपने ग्रुप में देखो, आई एम श्योर बहुत डाइवर्सिटी है, और नहीं है तो इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? बिकॉज इफ यू ऑल थिंक टू अलाइक, फिर क्या हो जाता है, सब लोग एक दूसरे को हाँ हाँ बोलते रहते हैं, एंड वी थिंक वी आर द बेस्ट, वी आर थिंकिंग द बेस्ट, बिकॉज हम लोग सब एक दूसरे के तरह हैं. When this picture is indicated that all look different, think different, profiles are different from different parts of the country, right? And they all somewhere come, and thread together. It's changing a life. And when we ask further that what does it mean, that they tell that कोई बच्चे के साथ interaction, कोई स्कूल में बदलाव आया, some campaign they did, and they could change the mindset of the people, or they raised funds which could go in for our on-field programs. Some research work they did. Every time they felt that शायद this experience also changed me. और मुझे पक्का से I have this conviction that all the Prayas members throughout all these years, we have been working for so many years, all your alumni friends and people who are joining in every year, you sometimes carry. And what is that? What is that has changed in you? And those are again not one or two word answers or standard answers, right? So here's a quote that I just picked up from, I keep recording when I interact with them, document their stories. There was a very young boy. He volunteered, and he was around 15 or 16 years old. And he said that, कि अगर आप मुझे कुछ पूछ रहे और मुझे कुछ बताना, I would tell anyone that, you should at least volunteer once. It does not दिखाना है कि मैंने ये किया, but more about that the mind gets broadened. आपका सोच इतना विकसित हो जाता है क्योंकि आप अपने जो cocoon है, the world you were used to with your friends, your family, and the type of school you went to, it had only a partial sense of the larger world, right? आप volunteer करते हो, आप नए issues के बारे में जानते हो, दूसरे लोगों से काम करना सीखते हो, opinions होते हैं, debates होते हैं, फिर आप कुछ अच्छा करना चाहते हो, which is not about you, right? So fundamental difference when you do such work is it's not about you. Right? So उसमें कैसे passion लाना, objectivity लाना, that this young fellow told that मेरे लिए था कि volunteering for me, how it changes lives, because it broadens my horizon of thought. That is most precious for me. And in the process, what I derive is that the interconnectivity of all of us, right? People are sitting in your respective towns where with your families, you are doing your online classes. You come to IIT Kanpur campus from different corners of the country, right? आप जब आते हो, आप एक कोर्स में एनरोल कर रहे हो, उसका एक ऑब्जेक्टिव है, पैशन है, और उस साथ आप आते हो, right? You get exposed to a world out there, which is definitely academics, but so many other things. You meet different kinds of people. Right? और जब आप इंटरैक्ट करना शुरू करते हो, you realize कि actually हम लोग सभी connected हैं. And then the divisions about आज ये बंगाली बोलती है, ये मराठी है, और she looks tall and I look short, or he's a boy and I am a girl. Whatever be it, all those diversities taken, you cannot say that my existence is only about me. Right? There are so COVID scenario, perhaps we are feeling it more. Right? But the interconnectedness that we sometimes maybe take it for granted, that when you grow up in a society, the feeling of connectedness grows organically. शायद कुछ एक्सपीरियंस में आपको ज्यादा अनुभव करने लगते हैं कि फॉर द गुड, एक्चुअली फॉर द गुड, दैट कोई भी चीज आइसोलेशन में नहीं होता है. Sometimes we learn it the hard way, sometimes in different ways, but the impact is very positive. And when I say this, this was, this is a collage of this COVID year. All of our volunteers all of a sudden turned online because we did not have any choice, right? I heard that all of you also, discovered that अरे बच्चों को कैसे online पढ़ाएं. We were so used to कि इन लोग प्रयास के क्लास में आ जाते थे और कैंपस में होता था, और हम लोग ऐसे एक टिपिकल क्लासरूम सेटअप या one-on-one face-to-face interaction में बच्चों के साथ interact करते. तभी अचानक से online. And then you find that, oh God, what do we do? Because many of the children do not have a phone, or they do not have net connectivity, या उनके घर में उतना आसानी से उनको फोन पे आने ऑनलाइन वो नहीं आ सकते हैं. The same happened with our volunteers too. Firstly, at our level as CRY, we were so used to working with communities directly that all of a sudden online kya kar. But then I saw within the span of a few days in the summers of 2020, when it was at its peak and we were all quite clueless and quite scared कि क्या होने वाला है, हमारे बच्चों का क्या होने वाला है, and things were also harsh. Volunteers came up with these bright ideas. Starting from a campaign which we ran, and actually it ran very successfully because hundreds of volunteers gave their strength behind it. They thought about, right? So starting from a pay corona thing where they started to invite people, saying that do not forget your domestic helps. ठीक है, शायद उनको आप काम पे नहीं आने बोल रहे हो, पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उनका wages नहीं देना है. Right? They have been working for your families all these years. This, right? Two people saying, I'm a dancer, I'm a musician, I create crafts, can I help you? So there are many people who said, I usually charge for my sessions, but this time I will do it with CRY and for the children of India, because I think कमाने वाला तो ठीक है, but this time let सीखो, मेरे साथ कुछ करो creatively. Invite the network ki if you believe that I am adding any value to your life, this time you donate for this cause. And they reached out to their networks through these various things they did. कि कोई समर कैंप करवा रहा है, कोई क्रिएटिव कर रहा है, कोई डांस परफॉर्मेंस करके अपने दोस्तों को टैग कर रहा है that I am supporting CRY for this campaign, if you like my performance, and organically इतने लोग सपोर्ट करना शुरू कर, right? और उससे जो again the other quote I have put below is that हमेशा ऐसा नहीं है कि we can only make things change if you have power. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, मैं तो I'm just an 18-year-old, or I'm not in a position of authority to take a decision, or my reach is only these many children or only one child. How can I make any change? This is again something a volunteer told. So this is nothing where I am coming from any baggage of कि CRY ऐसा सोचता है. That didn't be in a position of authority to make a change. Wherever you are, in whatever you do, आप कोई भी हो, अगर आपका वो है कि कुछ तो कर सकते हो और मुझे लगता है कि I would love to do it, you can surely do it. You can surely do it. And related to that is every little bit matters. Again, a very pertinent question which comes up. We have several volunteering programs every year. This year we worked with nearly 4,600 volunteers across India, very actively. Our larger base is much bigger, but people who were very active in this COVID year was like running into thousands. And when they would inquire that what I would do with CRY, how can I help children? क्योंकि तुरंत जब कोई CRY सोचता है उसको लगता है अच्छा बच्चों को पढ़ाऊं क्या? और हम लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं, वो that is one because there are so many other bigger things happening and on which cry works, right? उसपे आप बहुत कुछ चीजें कर सकते हो, आप पोस्टर बना सकते हो, आप एक रिसर्च अंडरटेक कर सकते हो, you can help us with a report edit, you can teach children online, you can run a campaign, you can run a fundraiser, you can sing a song, you can engage your family for like a birthday with cry, anything, and every bit will matter. So don't think कि अरे मैं 3 पोस्टर के इससे इस बच्चे का जीवन में सुधार आया. We will tell you how all of it is linked. Because you have drawn a poster, it has reached, I still recall, years back when I was working in Kolkata, and there were a young bunch of 3-4 volunteers who had decided that we will start a slum program, right? And in a community which was very deprived, it was a minority community, very deprived, perceived unsafe, right? But we knew that children were not going to school. There's so much to be done there. Right? It was very difficult. It wasn't an easy choice कि चलो चलो एक जगह जाकर पढ़ा देते. And every weekend they were all like either a student or working, so they would have relatively a weekend free जब classes office में छुट्टी होती थी. They would step into the field and just go and visit and just try to understand the community. कहाँ स्कूल है, किसी से बात की, अच्छा आपके घर में कितने बच्चे हैं, जैसे कि हम लोग को जानना चाहते हैं. With that baby step, पहले हम लोग को लग रहा था शायद नहीं हो पाएगा, मतलब बहुत टाइम लग जा रहा है, बहुत लड़कियां बोलती कि नहीं वहां स्लम में नहीं जाएंगे, सेफ नहीं है, राइट? देन 1 or 2 गर्ल्स स्टार्टेड जॉइनिंग इन कि नहीं ऐसा क्या है, मतलब इज इट आवर नोशन और आवर प्रेजुडिस अबाउट दैट सर्टेन कम्युनिटीज लाइक दिस एंड आई शुड बी गोइंग or something else, and then this thing started to form like 3 थे, 5 हुए, 10 हुए, right? Community before this step. और छोटी छोटी चीजें करने लगे कि अच्छा आज एक प्रिंसिपल से बात की, आज काउंसलर से जाके 10 बार कोशिश की, 11वें बार उन्होंने अपॉइंटमेंट दिया, आज कोई कम्युनिटी में जाके बच्चों से बात की, कौन से स्कूल जाते हो, क्या अच्छा लगता है, एंड देन दे सेड दैट कैन वी स्टार्ट समथिंग हियर. एंड मुझे अभी भी याद है कि पहले उन लोग एक नुक्कड़ नाटक तरह का सोचे और उन्होंने कहा कम्युनिटी के बीच में करेंगे, right? And we all went there and the community was so happy कि आप लोग सही में आए यहाँ के, तो in that building of trust, if you can come, if you can do it, if you can engage all of us, and if you're committing to that, you care for our children, we will open our gates. And please come and visit us. It's not an easy place. We have a lot of issues, but if you are there, we will just open up and try to help us. And that volunteer chapter is thriving. They did wonders, and they surveyed all the schools, went with the findings to the state-specific child protection committee, and they said that keep the report and go. A lot of such reports are submitted. क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा कि आपके तरह के सब young लड़के लड़कियां हैं, आप 18-19 साल के हो, ऐसा क्या serious काम करती है? They came back so dejected कि अरे हमने इतना मेहनत किया ये वो, पर उन्होंने खास इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिया, मतलब थोड़ा सुने बट ही वाज सिनिकल कि आप लोग ऐसा क्या सीख लिए, ऐसा क्या, ठीक है मैं देख लूंगा. And one day we had invited the chairperson for an event, for some other event, and in a public event he quoted that a year back a bunch of youngsters came to me with a report. I wasn't very sure what it told and I was cynical. When I opened, I saw the way in which they have, how many times they have visited the community schools, क्या issues हैं, छोटे issues निकाल के लाए, and that threw light on something that community. And then he issued a circular to all the concerned departments कि ये changes आनी है, and we want to visit into the community and all that. So you never know when an action takes place और कोई उसको positively कहाँ pick up करे. ऐसा नहीं कि उस मोटिवेशन से आप कर रहे हो, आप कर रहे हो क्योंकि आपको लगता है ये करना चाहिए, that's the right thing to do, right? But never treat that anything is small, because it all adds up somewhere, and you will see the larger picture eventually. Because see, when you're working with human beings, see change, you have to be very persistent and patient. Upfront results अगर ऐसे नहीं, it's not an exam, right? That ये score है, आप score बिठा एक score देख लिया और बोले कि हाँ improvement है, नहीं. This history of things going wrong against children in India. You can't say कि child labor कल था और एक महीने बाद नहीं है, right? So you have to really see it through and take it like in bits and pieces. कि अच्छा अभी इससे शुरुआत करते हैं, अभी हम लोग के कैंपस से करते हैं, और बच्चों तक कानपुर में कैसे पहुंच सकते हैं, और लार्जर लेवल इंडिया लेवल कुछ अगर ऐसा यंगस्टर्स जुड़े हुए हम लोग उसमें कैसे पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं और वॉइसेस कैसे इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं. देन ओनली यू नो थिंग्स गेट यू नो पिक अप पेस. हमारे वॉलंटियर्स को हम लोग बोलते हैं you are our friends who can reach anywhere and everywhere the way Cry can never reach. Because you are in your respective spaces. आज आप लोग कॉलेज में कोई काम कर रहा है, कोई अपना एक नेबरहुड में, कोई एक अपार्टमेंट पे रहता है, उनका एक नेटवर्क है. And if the person feels I'm doing something and talking about it and letting 10 of my family members or friends join in, see the beautiful service you do which all happens, right? Again picking a little quote from a volunteer that he says that every little action, you don't know how it. मैं थोड़ी देर 5 मिनट बाद I will again open up the session and I would love to hear from each one of you about your experience and anything you want to know further. What I'm saying is sometimes we don't realize the life-changing impact something has had on. छोटी सी चीज थी. Sometimes your volunteers come back saying that I was most touched when a child I was teaching told me this. या कम्युनिटी में गए और कम्युनिटी ऐसे किसी बात पे रिएक्ट किया and they said my day was done. मैं भूल गया कि मैं शायद सर्टिफिकेट के लिए आया था या मैं अपने आप को बहुत सुपीरियर समझ रहा था और मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं बहुत कुछ कर रहा हूँ. Life changing. And I'm so grateful when I hear it from volunteers. Because sometimes I may be saying that, you better think like that, but these are volunteers who tell us. And every year we, do certain, surveys, anonymous surveys to understand that volunteering से आप पे क्या impact हो रहा है. And just to know that it can be in different ways. So it brings out a lot of findings for us as Cry. वहीं से मैं कुछ चीजें यहाँ ला रही हूँ. And the other thing, it's very important. I think that travel you have to do from intent into action. दिमाग में हम लोग सोच रहे कि ये चीज गलत है, कुछ करना चाहिए, कौन करेगा? Or I will do it, but now I am too busy, too caught up. I will do it sometime later. Intent से चीजें नहीं बदलती, right? Action से बदलती, और वो action again can be minuscule to microscopic to only a campus limited thing, only a city specific thing, but then it has the potential to grow. You have to act in your respective spaces and with whatever you can do, right? So again I'm quoting an example from that day I was sharing that we have a wonderful Cry volunteer chapter in IIT Kharagpur, and it got started when I was very new to Cry, and it started, years back. I think it's definitely a decade old chapter. हम लोग पहले लगा था, and who started it? One young fellow had come to Cry to do his internship. Right? He was pursuing his engineering in IIT Kharagpur. So ऐसा नहीं था कि कोई technical internship थी. उसको just लगा था नहीं बाकी करेंगे तो अच्छा ये इस बार summer में मैं कुछ social sector के बारे में जानता हूँ. When he came, very shy, mild boy, very quiet, and he did his internship well. And as he was closing his 2-month-long internship, and he said, "हाँ अभी तो वापस से campus, but I'm feeling that does whatever I have learned or did here, does it end with it? मैं इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ दूँ या मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ?" बाकी देख लो, मतलब you go back to campus, think over it, because we knew कि कोई 18-19 साल का कितना maturity है, वो कितना कर पाएगा, academic rigor रहता है, बाकी दोस्त, because जरूर से we are around, so anytime you think there is anything possible, you would like to do some support, we will travel together. He goes back, he talks to a few of his friends, ये वो करके कहता है कि हम लोग एक Cry chapter खोलेंगे, and we will start with some little things, maybe in campus, पहले let's form a group, और उसके बाद जैसे शायद प्रयास भी शुरू हुआ था कि चलो बच्चों के साथ कुछ करते हैं, started an initiative. And we started discussing, so they started these photography contests कि जब photography club को जोड़ते हैं इनके साथ, कि लोगों के natural कुछ interest होते हैं ना, कि ये drama club है, photography club है, तो चलो उनको कैसे जोड़े, तो चलो ऐसा एक child rights पे photography contest करते हैं. It was a very popular focus right करके IIT Kharagpur years. Then they held all the exhibitions and they called for a lot of entries from across India. तो बहुत लोग उसमें participate करते थे and we would declare winners. There would be an exhibition at IIT Kharagpur. उसके साथ धीरे धीरे उन लोग बाहर के स्कूल में जाना शुरू किए कि वहाँ, और जो मेन होता था कि IIT Kharagpur, just like you people are like from diverse regions and states, वहाँ भी it's a mixture of all possible corners of India being part of the campus. Very few Bengali speaking students, right? And they were perhaps if the team is 20, they come from South, from Maharashtra, Gujarat, and they said we don't understand Bengali, but let's tag along with a friend who does, और थोड़ा स्कूल का सोचते हैं. तो वैसे ही एक स्कूल में उन लोग गए थे और तब नया नया राइट टू एजुकेशन फंडामेंटल राइट बना था. So we would tell them that always be careful कि स्कूल में क्या चीज है और क्या नहीं है, right? Because right to education at the first time said that these are the essentials every school should have, right? जिसमें कि drinking water है क्या, teachers regular आते हैं क्या, bathrooms functional है क्या, mid day meal serve होता है क्या. So they started observing and then they came back saying बहुत last 1.5-2 साल से वही एक ही teacher है, तो you can imagine what sort of teaching is happening. राइट, बच्चे कुछ सीख नहीं रहे हैं. और नो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, राइट. गर्मी का समय आते समय बच्चे कहीं इधर उधर चले जाते, घर चले जाते, ये वो. तो मैंने कहा क्या करना चाहते, कहते नहीं लेट्स वी विल गो टू द वीडियो एंड सबमिट कि हम ऐसे स्कूल में गए थे, ये गैप्स हैं. पहले गए तो वीडियो ने कहा अच्छा आईटी में पढ़ते हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. अचानक से यू टुक फैंसी इन लाइक विजिटिंग अ विलेज एंड ब्रिंगिंग दिस आउट ऑफ अ स्कूल. दे सेड नो सर प्लीज लुक इनटू. तो ठीक है देख लो. फिर एक उनको लगा कि आप जाओ तो अगले दिन तुरंत उस पर रिस्पॉन्स आ जाएगा, तीसरे दिन कोई चेंज आ जाएगा. वैसा होता नहीं था. तो दे स्टार्टेड टू फेस दैट हार्श रियलिटी. उन्होंने कहा अनुपमा दी ये तो रिस्पॉन्ड भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. मैंने कहा क्या करोगे, कहते नहीं जाकर फिर से पूछते हैं, राइट. दे वुड गेट वेरी अपसेट. सो दे वुड कीप विजिटिंग द ऑफिस. उनको लगा कि बाप रे ये बच्चे, हम लोग को लगा था आईटी के हैं, फैंसीफुल थिंकिंग में 1-2 बार आ गए हैं जोश में, कहाँ कंटिन्यू करेंगे. बट व्हाट दे शोड अप दैट नहीं इंटेंट तो था कुछ चेंज करने का, पर लगे हैं. एवरी वीक 2-3 वॉलंटियर्स वुड गो एंड चेक, सर कुछ हुआ, हम लोग जा रहे हैं, अभी भी वहां चेंज नहीं है. वो फाइनली persistence, they got new teachers appointed in that school, got drinking water facility come in, and that's why they thought कि बाप रे हम लोग youngsters जो वो भी clueless 2 months back की कैसे क्या चीजें होती हैं, they know that you have to keep hammering certain things. और अच्छा intent तो था पर action की जरूरत थी, and the government trusted them is because they were persistent. हर वीकेंड में शो अप कर जाते थे, सर देखा कर अरे आप लोग तो सच में सीरियस हो इस बारे में, राइट. आई रिमेम्बर इट हैड गॉन शोकेस्ड द यूनाइटेड नेशंस वॉलंटियरिंग स्टोरीज, राइट. सो दैट वाज ऑफ देयर वर्क. इट वाजंट समथिंग दे वर चेजिंग. आप लोग जो करते हो उसका एक अलग पैशन है, राइट. कि मुझे कोई सब्जेक्ट आता है, कोई बच्चा उससे अगर मदद हो जाए, मैं जाके ठीक है आई हैव दोस 1 or 2 hours 3 times a week and I will go. Itself, converting your intent into action and actually going and teaching is the thing we want. सिर्फ सोच काफी नहीं है. That's a good starting point, but then you have to get it moving. And as simple, I think nothing could have been simpler than what a volunteer had told me in West from Mumbai, that just about it na, it's just merely that you need to get up and do it. तो मुझे लगा actually it's that simple. अभी होता है ना हम लोग बहुत डिफाइन करने लगते हैं, बहुत जस्टिफाई. मतलब कुछ भी चेंज करना है आपको, जस्ट शुरू करना है ना, मतलब कुछ भी करना है. मतलब वो चिट्ठी लिख रहे हो, आप किसी से मिल रहे हो, किसी को जाकर वो डिस्कस कर, उसको कन्विंस कर रहे हो, you're just getting started and that's all that is needed. And definitely this, I think volunteering, when we say volunteering, it's a lot about responsibilities. कि आप अपने responsibilities को कैसे देखते हो. Am I a human being? Is there something I need to do about it? Is it just about me when I'm leading this life? And it's not very easy when you are young. Trust me, when I was your age, I just thought academics. अभी तो मैं जब आप लोग के उम्र के बच्चों को देखती हूँ, I feel so happy that you people are far more aware. You are conscious कि there's something I can do beyond my academics. There's volunteering. अच्छा internship भी कुछ कर लेते हैं, कोई campaign में ही join करते हैं. Right? In our times, we would say, अच्छा वो सब चीज wait करेगा. But yes, somewhere I had a little positive influence right in school when I had got to know about CRY when I was in school. My parents were aware and they would tell me every time, आप लोग अभी तो cards और नहीं भेजते हो लोगों को. हमारे time में we would send all these, Diwali cards and New Year greeting cards to people, right? To our grandparents and our uncles and aunts. So we would buy them, like the physical cards, and CRY was very famous at that time for its CRY cards. मैं तब छोटी थी तो मुझे अंदाजा नहीं था what it meant, but it was about my parent would say, अच्छा आपको cards भेजने हैं, but remember, you can buy a CRY card. So I would ask that why. He said that आप जैसे स्कूल जाते हो बहुत बच्चे नहीं जाते हैं. So if you buy this, that 10 rupee का card बच्चे के काम आएगा. The child. So I would be very amused. I would not be able to honestly relate the dots much. But I was, there are children who are not going to school. And if my buying of cards, and I would very happily buy those 10, 20 cards. And it was my first memory of CRY. And when eventually I decided to join this sector, and eventually I went for that CRY interview, I said, I know CRY when I was like in my grade 6. And they had a big smile because they said anyone of your age who comes, they say that they remember CRY because of the CRY cards. Abhi, we have like abhi CRY cards ka utna significance nahi raha, काम करते हैं. But there are many people who say, अरे आप CRY में काम करते हो, CRY cards. So somewhere it went into the lives of people, and somewhere made us feel responsible कि CRY अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकेगा. Every time, I remind myself, we are nothing by ourselves. हमारा छोटा सा team है CRY में. Unless people like you also feel that no, we also do something on children. Why don't we do something together? And that's the reason we are sitting here today, even trying to understand कि क्या हो सकता है. एक चीज जो मैंने सीखा है, and I would rather now ask you people about your thoughts, is बहुत common. I don't heard in our sector it's very common that our beneficiaries are children, our beneficiaries are women, or beneficiaries are our farmers, right? Actually, beneficiaries are not them. I can say it for volunteering, that when you volunteer, I think we are one of the main beneficiaries. The way it somewhere changes our life for good, we benefit from the experience, perhaps more, if not equally, for the children. And hence we say that don't think that you are up there helping them. I am not here to help. वो इतना conditioning हो जाता है. It's not you to be blamed. Even when I went into this sector, I thought that I knew it all. कि मैं यहाँ से पढ़ के आई हूँ, मेरी ये डिग्री है, बुक में मैंने सारे कुछ पढ़े हुए हैं, मेरा ये स्टैंपिंग है, my CV says this, I know it all. I stepped into the field, I understood. World is very different. If you really have to work with people, first thing है आपका अपना baggage हटाओ. And start to believe कि बहुत चीजें मुझे इनसे सीखनी है और मुझे उससे ज्ञान मेरा बढ़ना है, rather than saying कि I am here to save you. But yes, if we come together, maybe in the process हम लोग दोनों मिलके कुछ अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं. नहीं, बहुत एक मजे वाला छोटा सा एग्जांपल दूंगी. I have a tendency of digressing. Years back I was working in South. I don't know if any of friends today belong from Tamil Nadu. I had shifted from a disaster response program to an education program in Tamil Nadu. And I come from Bengal, so I don't understand South Indian language. और मुझे मेरा काम था कि I would have to go to the community, speak with children, or school पे project चल रहा. I have to go to the communities and talk to them. So I would just go, and they were very curious because firstly हो जाता है ना, अरे आप ये language नहीं बोलते, आप कहाँ से आए हो? What you are trying to ask? I would depend a lot on my colleague who would be Tamil speaking. Right? कि अच्छा ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? अच्छा मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ. और ये वो करके. So then they will next visit or the third visit, fourth visit, they will giggle and then say, "Acha Didi, are you married? Why don't you and still not open up to my questions much." फिर एक दिन मैं फील्ड जाने के लिए तैयार हो रही थी, तो मैंने सोचा कि अच्छा एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखती हूँ. Have a more Indianized look for. More something which I saw that the community maybe dresses in a certain way, or they think that if you're married, you should, relate to one or two symbols where they feel more confident. So I just tweaked a bit of, how I dressed, how I looked that day, and went to the field and started talking. So they had a big laugh. और फिर मुझे gradually जब वो experiences से मुझे पता चला, sometimes, you have to shed your otherness. और ये मैं पहले भी क्राई से पहले मैं एक दो संस्था में ये सब के बारे में और ज्यादा सीख. If you have to really work with children, with communities, you have to be one of them. और वो superiority को आपको side में रख के जाना है. You should not look, and I applied that with my volunteers. There were some strict norms. I used to act like a teacher, but I would say if you are stepping into a slum, stepping into a community school, dress appropriately. Don't take your flashy phone. Even if you are taking, keep it in silent mode and don't take it out when you are having the session. Don't give away gifts to children, right? They should be happy about कि आज Tika Didi मेरे साथ बात कर रही है और ड्राइंग सिखा रही है, ना कि that see दीदी का ड्रेस कैसा है, it must be very costly, and you're creating false aspirations which are of no value at all. It's not that you're ऐसा नहीं है कि आप शॉर्ट्स पहनो तो आप अलग हो, बिल्कुल नहीं. But sometimes if you have to talk about and do something about social change, you have to be a part of that society. And that means that you have to understand it well and let it be reciprocal. And वहां तब समझ में आ जाता है कि बेनिफिशियरीज ऐसा मेरा खास कुछ पावर नहीं है बदलने का, right? तो उसमें this is the last section is one volunteer which this is again from the IIT Kharagpur thing I was quoting. This boy was very bright. Again, perhaps in some next session I will tell about certain stories, because otherwise it would be very longish. He was a gold medalist IIT Kharagpur. Very shy boy. Actually, one summer he had come. I will tell that story in detail sometime later. I hope we will keep in touch. He had traveled a distance of 2,500 kilometers in his bicycle from Kharagpur to Mumbai, picking out stories of children's issues. And I would say, are you really sure, Ujjwal, that you will do it? Nahi, Anupmati, don't go by my look. I look very lanky, but I will manage. और ये वो करके कहीं से साइकिल जुगाड़ के, कहीं से अच्छा उसको फोटोग्राफी का भी बहुत शौक था, ये वो. तो 40 दिन या 45 Indian summer, he crossed across every possible state in the central part of India. From the remotest corners, he brought out children's stories, interacted with communities, and क्या दिक्कत है, चाइल्ड लेबर, जून में एक वर्ल्ड डे अगेंस्ट चाइल्ड लेबर सेलिब्रेट होता है. सो ही ट्राइड टू ब्रिंग आउट स्टोरीज, बच्चे काम क्यों कर रहे हैं, कौन काम कर रहा है, स्कूल क्यों छूट जाता है, and eventually he joined, because he did really well academically too, he joined a very top shot company. He was working in Singapore. Eventually one day, even तब भी वो volunteering करता रहता था. अनुपाति मुझे मैराथन दौड़ना है तो I will wear a cry t-shirt and run. So he would still be around and have quit my job. I said, why? He said, I somewhere realized that things I learned in my volunteering, I can't just think about my job now. Money doesn't excite me, right? And the things he saw in Singapore about the blue collar workers of India, वहाँ उनके कैसे labor laws violate होते हैं, या उनका India में कैसे ये पूरा एक segment है जिन लोग underrepresented है. Now he has a wonderful startup working on blue collar workers. Recently in one of our events he had come down and he says that कहीं ऐसा नहीं था कि cry के लिए, कहीं भी कोई experience तो कितना life changing होता है. And he said that I was too rational. कभी होता नहीं कि अरे आप engineering पर आप too rationally सोचते हो. He said that I was too unidimensional. इसी तरह दुनिया है, ऐसे ही calculations होते हैं, ऐसे scientifically सोचा जाता है. हम IIT में आते हैं क्योंकि हमें ये job करना है. But Please do not get me wrong. I'm not saying, I say to my volunteers, we need volunteers who are in all professions. वॉलंटियरिंग या आपको एक सोशल कॉज का चैंपियन बनने के लिए आपको पूरे समय वो करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. We need doctors, we need engineers, we need management professionals and lawyers and media people. We need all. काम करेंगे तो कौन किससे क्या सीखेगा, right? So we need you in your right spaces, but it is a part of your life which is beyond that trajectory, and that's what these examples show us, that many of the volunteers who never left their jobs, who are in hardcore corporate jobs and still remain high champions or child rights champions, right? Or to still spare their weekends going and visiting the slum and doing something with the children there. People who have changed the course, like this boy who completely shed a cushy job and said कि नहीं मुझे ये काम करना है क्योंकि otherwise I felt money, nothing else. Finally, मुझे लगता है 2-3 जो इस सेक्शन को क्विकली रैप अप करने के लिए कि वॉलंटियरिंग में आपको बहुत ये चीज का बेनिफिट होता है. अगेन these are questions I would quickly want to hear, that are we able to rethink? ये होता है ना, हम लोग एक सोचते कि बच्चे को मैथ्स ऐसे पढ़ाएंगे, फिर जाकर पता चला कि बच्चे को तो मतलब हम सोचे थे क्लास 6 में पढ़ रहा है तो उसका ये लेवल है, बट he is struggling with some basic concepts which are of grade 3. So I have to completely change the way perhaps I think of teaching him. Or how would I make it, something very relatable? Drop out of schools because they don't find it relevant. उनके लाइफ से जुड़ा नहीं होता. लद्दाख के बच्चों को अगर आप सिखा रहे हो C is for coconut, they never learn. They haven't seen a coconut tree in their lives, gosh. So how can you implant a tropical climate का कोई example to a severely arid, snowy region? बच्चा कैसे रिलेट कर पाएगा? और उसमें बहुत इनोवेशंस वहां अलग अलग जगह होता है कि आप अगर रेलेवेंट या कॉन्टेक्चुअल लर्निंग नहीं बनाओगे तो बच्चा कभी सीखे. सो इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम विद द चाइल्ड, इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम विद द कंटेंट एंड द वेयर द चाइल्ड इज एबल टू रिलेट टू इट और नॉट, राइट? जी, मैं बहुत आप लोग इसमें से काफी लोग आप लोग मैथमेटिक्स, और मैं हमेशा सोचती रहती हूँ कि मैं जब बच्ची थी सो स्कैर्ड ऑफ इट. And it stayed on while I somehow managed reasonably ये वो करके, but I never came out of that phobia of maths. And now as I rationalize and I look at my own daughter or the way it's taught, perhaps the way it was taught never dispelled the fear. It was about technically teaching you things, but not saying कि अच्छा अनुपमा एक तरह से समझती है, भूमि एक तरह से समझेगी, तो मुझे उसके हिसाब से समझाना चाहिए. Because once you address that, then the later on things flow, right? And children को कभी भी dumping ground नहीं देखिए. ये और एक चीज हम लोग भी remind our volunteers, which I have also seen, the way schools teach us. I really hope that things have changed. I can tell you about my school years, which are like decades back. But अगर आप लोग भी स्कूल में पढ़े हो, अभी भी मैं अपने बच्चे को देखती हूँ, there's too much of rote learning. You mug up, you place it on the answer script and you get a full marks and you think I'm there, doesn't care. My husband actually jokes at me when I teach my daughter. You are like hell-bent on teaching her something which won't be of any use 10 years down the line. The world has changed. Fundamentals have to be strong. But आज एक हिंदी में वो कैरेक्टर में वो कैसे उसको लिखेगी और कैसे बोलेगी, वो सही बोल पा रही नहीं, doesn't matter. Why are you caught up and why we are obsessed that she has to get 10 on 10? What you have to be really, care about is the child curious? Is the child able to understand the fundamentals? और वही चीज when I look schools हमारे वैसे ही teaching करते हैं. And we feel very happy when I say that everywhere I see nowadays children say that all of you, I'm sure that all have got the best possible scores. Right? But जब उन लोग step in करते हैं real world में, they think it's so different. And that's where volunteering actually opens up your mind on different things. जीवन में given चीजें नहीं होती, आपको rethink करना है. You have to think that children themselves have opinions. So whenever you are planning something with them, you have to ask them, understand them before you are actually suggesting. They will have their own answers. You rather play a role of making them understand. in your own. And definitely volunteering definitely owns a lot of skills. I've again found, many people saying that मैं जीवन में, kabhi I would never go out speaking. Right? I was very hesitant to be like a public speaker कि बाहर जाके बोलूं. I'm very good with चुपचाप से पीछे आप background का कुछ काम. That person becoming very confident with leadership things, or planning a campaign, or saying that I'm creating a module for children, or doing a fundraiser where fundraising or fundraising तो दूसरा ही काम है. ये सब हमसे नहीं होगा. I have learned that fundraising is something you have to be very shameless about, because I keep hearing. Yesterday I was also attending a session. Very experienced development professional. He was saying that, how do you feel ashamed when you have to ask for money for a cause? You're not asking it for yourself. अपने लिए आपको शर्म लगेगा ना, करे अरे मुझे ना बोल देगा. You are asking for a cause you believe in. So आज अगर हमारे volunteers जाते हैं कि I'm a part of this campaign, please support my campaign and donate. I said, what can be the worst thing? The person will say or no, or will ignore you. How does it matter? You have so many other people who say a yes, or who will say that you are the first one who reached out to me asking for support. No one ever. Happy that you're doing it, and I trust you and I will do it. Right? Or I've seen youngsters raising lakhs and lakhs, and we ask them कि अच्छा आपका secret क्या था? They believe me, ma'am, believe me, Anubha, हमने जीवन में ये कभी किया नहीं. कोई सीक्रेट नहीं था, आप लोग ने जो बेसिक किए वो किया. पर then I realized कि I will just go out and talk to the people I know and say कि मेरा ये volunteering, and they just did it. So those skills really come in handy when you join your work. क्योंकि वहाँ यही सब चीज देखते हैं ना. Of course, one part is technical skill. The other part is आपने दुनिया से क्या सीखा. How can you convince about things, right? How you can sell ideas. आप marketing line में जाके you sell a soap. In this case, you are selling the rights of a child and saying that if you're donating, you're actually championing the cause of a child. Right? So all those skills really come in hand. With that, I quickly wrap up this section. There's a little section on certain things about the way you work with children, the way we have seen it. I would love to hear from any one of you, any examples, आपके अपने experience से, या कोई भी questions or any disagreements, because it's not like I'm telling you the things to believe. I can just tell you that this is the way, somewhere that has influenced the way we work as CRI. But it doesn't mean that it will be right or there is no other way of looking at it. So I will really welcome अगर आप लोग के कोई भी ऐसे छोटे से छोटे एग्जाम्पल से कोई भी क्वेश्चंस अगर हो, any debate points हो, तो प्लीज उसको हम लोग नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स उस पे बात कर सकते
हैं. Yeah, I'd like to share a point like जो आप mention कर रहे थे कि children relate to what they see in real life. They don't want to study about theory. In the beginning, like when I started volunteering with Prayas, I was teaching them computer science. And I noticed in all the chapters they have in their text, they have, like I was supposed to teach them from their curriculum. जो book में दिया है, I'm supposed to teach them that. And their book had such outdated theory. Like ऐसी theory जो we don't use that anywhere. And 10th grade students are never going to use those concepts, and 10th grade students don't need to know about those concepts. And they were teaching them stuff that I had never heard of. Like I am a computer science student first year and I've never heard of this stuff. And this is a deep cut theory and I had to look those up. But then in one session, I realized that my students didn't know how to write an email, and they had to learn about this like deep theory, and they didn't know how to write an email. So like I turned my screen share on and I told them how I write an email to a friend. I told them, I took their email IDs and I was like, ये देखो ये ऐसे आपको ऐसे student हो तो मैं आपको email लिखूंगी तो मैं ऐसे लिखूंगी. So that was very
wonderful. Actually बहुत इसी तरह की चीजें, मतलब कभी होता नहीं कि आप एक चीज को इतने पुराने तरीके से पढ़ाते हो या सिखाते हो कि बच्चे का वो रेलेवेंस ही नहीं है. रादर और सेफ्टी क्या है, या आप रेगुलर ऑनलाइन में कैसे कम्युनिकेशन चैनल्स क्या हैं, उस पे आप कैसे अवेयर बनोगे, दोज आर मोर हैंडी देन कि आप थियोरेटिकली कुछ कि हाँ MS वर्ड में ये निकल के आता और यहाँ से कॉपी पेस्ट, वो बच्चा सीख ही जाएगा. इसी तरह आप उसको 2 क्लासेस में स्क्रीन के सामने पढ़ाओगे, child will learn far faster than maybe an adult learning. Great. Thanks so much, Anvi, sharing this. Anyone else? Anything, starting from maybe anything from your school life to now at your campus? कोई भी ऐसे example?
Dee has left a question.
यातिका, ये मैं जो अगला वाला जो छोटा सा सेक्शन है बच्चों पे, वहाँ I will try to, like, in that context it will fit in really well. I'm sure this is a very valid point, और हमारे भी बहुत volunteers इसके बारे में बोलते हैं. ऐसा कोई magic wand नहीं है, but I can tell you that what we experienced, and भी बहुत उस पे learning हुआ है. हमारे volunteers ने बहुत कुछ try किया है. There things which have failed and all. But I will surely take that. Overall, जो ये कुछ points जो volunteering पे है, anything like, or you would want to share that what was your idea when you joined Prayas? क्यों join की? क्योंकि there are several reasons. I have found free time है, या नहीं मुझे बच्चों को पढ़ाना मुझे अच्छा लगे, subject पे I think I'm really good. I thought कि अच्छा why not use it to teach someone. या मेरे दोस्त join कर रहे थे और मैं भी join कर गई, या कि बाद में टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में थोड़ा टाइम रहता है तो कर गए. मोटिवेशन बिहाइंड, मे बी पीपल यू कैन पुट इट ऑन चैट, या एक दो लोग बोल भी सकते हो, बिकॉज मोटिवेशंस ऑफन ब्रिंग आउट पैटर्न्स, बट दे आर वेरी डाइवर्स टू, और कोई उसमें सही मोटिवेशन गलत मोटिवेशन वाली बात नहीं है. दैट आई वुड आल्सो रियली, हां, एनीवन वुड विश टू शेयर? आप लोग चैट पे लिख सकते हो, कोई बोल भी सकते हो प्लीज, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत देर से निशान, धीरज, गौतम, एनी छवि, एनीथिंग फ्रॉम योर एंड एज यू वर हियरिंग, कोई भी ऐसे आया? सोच लो, अगर सोच के कुछ भी ऐसा आ रहा है चैट पे भी आप लोग लिखो. आई एम जस्ट स्टेपिंग इनटू द नेक्स्ट section, so that because बहुत सारे ऐसे होते हैं कि थोड़ा नहीं तो लंबा खिंच जाएगा. हाँ, but keep sharing because that will make it very interactive. मुझे भी लगेगा कि मैं भी आप लोगों से बहुत कुछ सीख के I have wrapped up the session. So what Atika was sharing, and also what I wanted to share quickly was like, एक जो fundamental similarity है that you are volunteering, and I work in the department which volunteers, and secondly that Child Rights and You stands for that we work on children's rights, right? So ये दोनों चीजें बहुत visibly common है. And when I heard what Prayas does, and उसमें कि बच्चों के साथ काम में, तो वहाँ भी कुछ very simple things I wanted to tell you, क्योंकि बहुत चीजें एक सेशन में पैक करने में तो 6 घंटे लगेंगे, but if we can keep having these interactions, आप लोग बताओ कि next session में शायद एक specific चीज पे और in depth हम लोग discuss करना चाहेगा. We would love to have such sessions. I just wanted to start with a little case story here. That when we were in our beginning times, that how every little thing counts and how every little drop counts, that there was an extremely popular campaign which CRY managed to start, and it was Buy a Brick Builder School. इसको क्यों इम्पोर्टेंस दे रही हूँ? क्योंकि the idea was that we are not really targeting कि बहुत पैसे वाला कोई वो बहुत पैसा देगा तभी कुछ fundraising हो पाएगा और हम लोग काम कर पाएंगे. The idea and the concept was that every Indian could relate to कि I can be of help. And we told them that your donation size is just rupees. And with that, you are actually buying a brick for the school. So school was like a symbol of education, right? You are contributing a brick to that concept of like every child in school, or like every child learning, and that concept. Or that really took us big times into every people's household saying, really? Just rupees 10 and I can be a part of a larger movement which is talking about children. And that's how so many Indian people got hooked to the idea. कमिंग आउट ऑफ दैट रीजन कि अरे मेरे पास बहुत कम है या मैं कैसे जुड़ सकता हूँ. Initial years Mumbai में auto rickshaw वालाs were our donors. And why it is more precious than a millionaire donating is that auto rickshaw wala is earning that minuscule sum every month. And that person believes कि crime में अगर मैं 100 रुपया दे रहा हूँ, that is valued. Trust me, that has been our greatest asset in these years. From rupees 50 with which we started, we went on to make a family of 50 lakh donors. Because we said every Indian is a possible supporter of 15 साल के हो, 10 साल के हो, एक बिलियनर हो या एक नौकरीशुदा या होम मेकर हो, you have something to play in this thing. And this is one such campaign. There are several which really still we feel very inspired. It's such a bigger concept made really simple that every little giving will add on, right? And then corporate started joining in the endeavor, and it grew bigger, and we could do a lot of things with the support and the money people gave us. In the process, in the last 41 years, we have ended up working with 3 million plus children. We had looked, we have worked in the remotest corners. बहुत समय लोग तो क्या-क्या issues हैं. Honestly, in a country like India, आप सब बच्चे तक पहुंचना is impossible. And hence we have prioritized, अगर हमें बच्चों के साथ काम करना है तो सबसे marginalized बच्चों के साथ काम करना है, सबसे गरीब, सबसे पिछड़े. Right, so we identified the districts we will work with. Initially, we had worked in most of the states of India, but अभी हम लोग धीरे-धीरे सिर्फ 19 states में काम करते हैं. वहाँ भी the most backward districts. वहाँ भी ऐसे issues जहाँ child rights के मुद्दे बहुत visible हैं, बहुत high child labor है, या child marriage जल्दी होता है, या schools नहीं हैं. उन issues पे हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा काम करते हैं. जो Atika said, and the reason that since you people work with children, that some fundamentals as CRY we very strongly believe, and that has really helped our work, not just as like volunteers who do it, but anyone out there who is related to our work, is invest in the future of children. Forget it. There is no future. Invest because they are an entity now. They are someone today. Forget that वो बच्चा बाद में engineer बनेगा, doctor बनेगा, ठीक है. But now, at this moment, the child who's a 5-year-old, 7-year-old needs you because they are an entity and identity in itself in the present reality. So we say that invest in the future of the country, invest in the present of the country. They are your present. If you nurture and water the roots well, it will automatically grow up to whatever fruits they bear. As a result होगा, but don't aim that and say इसलिए investment करो. तो वो जो होता है ना कि human capital हम लोग बोलते हैं, we are slightly critical about it. कि they are not, don't look at them as like कि इसके result से कुछ होगा, उससे ये फायदा होने वाला है. वो logic को हटाओ. They are an entity who need that dignity of growing up. Invest there and focus hence that every child deserves it. Second जो है कि dreams never discriminate. कभी जो हो जाता है ना, हम लोग नॉर्मली देखते हैं कि बच्चे जो रूरल स्कूल्स में पढ़ रहे हैं तक पढ़ लिए बहुत हो गया, इसको थोड़ा वोकेशनल कोर्स करवा दो, मैकेनिक का कोर्स कर लेगा, थोड़ा पॉलिटेक्निक, मैक्सिमम पॉलिटेक्निक चला जाएगा, एक लड़की अच्छा सेल्स पर्सन बन जाएगी. Why did your parents ever dream that for you? Why does it become right when it comes to a poor or a Dalit family or a Muslim family's child? And the simplest way in which I have constantly questioned my belief, because I always never was like beyond the conditioning, right? We all grew up in like mostly middle class families, or uska jo conditioning hota hai. Now, the easiest way, whenever I say that, would I make this choice for my daughter? Would my parents have made this choice for me? And if I find that the answer is no, I immediately replace that answer for that child we are working with. कि अगर मेरे लिए ये सही choice नहीं है, वो दूसरे बच्चे के लिए भी सही choice नहीं है. Every child has equal potential. It's somewhere down the line कि उनको सही मौका या role modeling नहीं होता है, इसलिए वो पिछड़ जाते हैं. इसीलिए होता है कि कुछ बच्चे स्कूल कंप्लीट करते हैं, कुछ हायर एजुकेशन में जाते हैं, कुछ फ्लरिश करते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते हैं। ड्रीम सिमिलर है। आप अभी भी आपके जो बच्चों को आप लोग पढ़ाते हो, just ask them, there are lot of aspirations in it. बाद में अगर कहीं वो छूट जाते, बाद में जाओगे हाँ दीदी तब सोचे थे, नहीं नहीं उसके बाद तो पापा की नौकरी नहीं रही, या मेरे 3 छोटे भाई थे, ये हुआ, फिर मम्मी ने शादी करवा दिया, फिर तो बस, then the cycle of poverty in which they are trapped. Otherwise there is no variation कि हमारे ड्रीम्स ऐसे होते हैं क्योंकि we are more meritorious. Let's even shed that. This because we have some advantage of our birth, of our socioeconomic background, of luckily going to institutes which has kindled that spirit of knowing more or becoming more. Let not that remain a privilege of you. Because dreams में fundamentally कोई difference नहीं. Other thing is curricular learning, and that's where I wanted to know. That day I was asking a lot of questions too when I was talking to Atika and Shana and all of them, that what exactly Prayas does and what is your larger vision. Because कभी होता है ना, अपने विजन को भी देखते रहना कि हम लोग बच्चों को क्यों पढ़ा रहे हैं. Is it just, will I be happy if the child I'm teaching scores 19 maths जो पहले 60 मिलता था या 30 मिलता था, उस बच्चे को मैं अभी लाई हूँ and he or she is scoring 60? Of course that's a reason of happiness. That doesn't define what we can become. क्योंकि अक्सर बच्चे तब पिछड़ते हैं जब they are unable to really develop their self identity and nest. उनका वो इतना दब जाता है, they are put down for being so many things. The larger confidence and life skills get skilled. इसलिए बोलते हैं अगर बच्चा curious है, वो अगर is willing to take on problems and solve it, has critical thinking, has the power of communication, वो बच्चा automatically chances of growing up well is far higher than saying कि मुझे तो मैथ्स में 70 मिलता था. आज की दुनिया में in 21st century we keep hearing that 21st century skills, subject knowledge is only part of what you can become. If you really want to become successful and thrive, successful has different definitions, I'm not going into that, but I'm saying whatever you want to become, उसमें इस तरह की चीजें are far powerful, and hence even as CRY the way we invest on children is of course volunteers बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, पर उसके साथ हम लोग बोलते हैं कि उनको बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी सिखाओ, कि कोई लड़की ना सोचे कि अगर मैं मोटी हूँ तो अरे बाप रे मेरा जीवन ही वो हो गया, लोग मुझ पे हंस रहे हैं, या कोई लड़का सोचता अरे मैं अच्छा इंग्लिश नहीं बोलता हूँ, oh God, there's nothing else, how can I speak, I have never spoken. कोई बाहर से आके बोलते हैं no I have seen this movie and मुझे तो वैसे एक्सपोजर ही नहीं, क्योंकि हमने वो दुनिया देखी नहीं है, तो I have an inferiority complex. Rather bring them out, give them as much of possible role modeling and areas that you are no less than us, and tell them about your areas of failure. पता है आप जब हिचकिचाते हो, मैं जब बचपन में मुझसे तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं जाता था, मैं इंग्लिश एकदम my brother tells it to my daughter that you speak reasonable English. When we were growing up, like when we were in our middle class, we were so shy, we would say all wrong English, we were subject wise, ठीक है, पर ये नहीं, पर आप लोग आजकल ज्यादा एक्सपोजर है, तो even make yourself vulnerable when you're working with children. उनको बोलो कि हम भी आपके तरह ही थे, हम ऐसे परफेक्ट अभी IIT में आ गए हैं, ऑफ कोर्स मेहनत की है कोई, और उससे उनको इंस्पायर करो, ताकि हम लोग भी गलत होते, हमको भी किसी चीज से शाइनेस था या इंफीरियोरिटी था, एंड हाउ वी केम आउट ऑफ इट, या आपका वो यूनिक है छुपा दबा हुआ जो यू वांटेड टू शेयर विद मी, एंड यू थिंक दैट विल मेक यू मोर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड हैप्पी अबाउट योर ओन सेल्व्स, एंड कॉन्फिडेंट कि भले ही कोई इंग्लिश में बोले, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल स्पीक इन हिंदी, आई विल स्पीक इन Assamese, and I will be equally confident because it's knowledge what will define me, not the way I that the superficial thing. So इसमें ये चीजों पे काम करना is equally important. The other thing is, which again, related to what Atika was saying, and I will come quickly, related to this, whatever you do, you're teaching a child, you're doing an event with them, आप उनको skit सिखा रहे हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, safety and respect are cardinal. कुछ भी करो, इसको सेंटर में रखो, is it safe for the child? And it doesn't stem from mistrust, it stems from that all of us are fallible, हम लोग सब mistakes कर सकते हैं. How can we make our system so foolproof, as much foolproof, which can reduce the chances of any child feeling unsafe. वो online में और risky हो जाता है. Face to face में you know complete trust, but आज Anupma is the ideal person and she can never do wrong or she can never scold a child या अभी सामने कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं और मैंने इसको थप्पड़ मार दी. You were never sure whether I would do it or not. How will you sensitize every member associated with Prayas that there are some strict do's and don'ts? Do you have it? If you have it, wonderful. But I'm saying those are areas where we every year we revisit and make our own guidelines for ourselves, for our volunteers. ऑनलाइन पढ़ा रहे हो उसके पहले आपको खुद क्या तैयारी करनी है. आपको पता है कि मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ा सकती हूँ. I'm very good with it. You knew how to communicate with the child. How will you make sure that the child feels respected? How will you make sure that the child opens up? बहुत समय हो जाता है ना, हम भी देखते कि बच्चे धीरे धीरे, बहुत हमारे वॉलंटियर्स बोलते थे कि when we are teaching them together, most of the girl children keep quiet, right? Or when we are teaching them together, some children become very talkative, some will switch on their video and से बैठे रहे. हम लोग को समझ नहीं आता. तो फिर हमने कहा are they preferring one-on-one because they feel shy कि वैसे ही ऑनलाइन स्पेस है, सबका छोटा छोटा, किसी का वीडियो ऑन है, किसी का वीडियो ऑफ है, 4 को हम नहीं पहचानते, 2 को पहचानते, उसमें कुछ बोला जा रहा है, उसमें मैं पूछूं ना पूछूं, कैसे दिखूंगी, shall I come across as a silly person asking a foolish question, right? होता है पेरेंट पीछे बैठा हुआ है, समवेयर छुप छुपा के ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं, उसमें आप उनको मान लो सेफ अनसेफ टच का मॉड्यूल सिखा रहे हो. Is it the right place to ask? Is it the right module to do at the right time? Have you ever asked कि आपके लिए सही क्लास का? You might sometimes say, I would rather do this class when my father is not around. Or this time of the day when I'm relatively free, बाकी टाइम में मुझे माँ का ये मदद करना पड़ता है, मुझे बाहर जाना पड़ता है ये. So are we sensitive about, what will make them feel respected? And are they feeling safe in space? Hence you have to constantly ask. ये हमने भी सीखा last 1 साल में, especially because we were also very new to it. Children were preferring one-on-one classes. कि अरे, okay, there is Nishant and sir आप मुझे अलग से पढ़ाइए, या फिर है कि पर उसमें भी अगर one-on-one है, safe, what are the checks and balances you will keep if it's a one-on-one class, because उसमें कोई monitoring नहीं होता है. In our cases, when some new volunteer is teaching something, that is a core volunteer attending the session, overseeing कि ऐसा नहीं कि आप गलती करोगे, पर just to guide कि देखो आप पहले सीख रहे हो तो शायद ये ध्यान में रखो, ऐसे लैंग्वेज यूज, पेशेंटली डील करोगे, क्या बोलोगे क्या नहीं बोलोगे, राइट? ऑल दोस लिटिल थिंग्स व्हिच यू हैव टू बी ऑब्जर्व. कि वीडियो मोड ऑन रखना, सिर्फ ऑल गर्ल्स ग्रुप में ज्यादा कंफर्ट आएगा क्या, ये एज का कैटेगरी बनानी है, कभी कभी टीम बिल्डिंग के हम लोग को सेशंस कराने हैं क्या, कोई सब्जेक्ट नहीं हो, जस्ट so that they become far more comfortable in the online space. उनके लिए नया है, हम लोग को लगता है जूम आसान है, ये कर दिए चलो, उनके लिए नया, बाप रे ये कुछ रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, साइबर बुलिंग की क्या बात है, कभी उसी पे चर्चा करो. हाँ, ऑनलाइन तो आ रहा है, बहुत फैसिलिटी है, पर आप जरूर से क्या चीजें ध्यान रखनी है, क्योंकि आप पहली बार कर रहे हो, राइट? सो ऑल सच थिंग इम्पोर्टेंट एंड दैट्स क्रूशियल बिफोर यू इवन प्लान. आप इंग्लिश में आज क्या पढ़ाओगे या मैथ्स में क्या? Definitely, which I have told earlier, I'm not repeating much. Always, को जितना नीचे रख पाओ. Even today, I tell that, for 17 years, believe me, every day I learn so much when I have all these interactions. Because knowledge is not static. And especially with children, especially in the social issues, इतना कुछ बदलता रहता है कि unless you remind yourself कि मुझे सब कुछ नहीं आता है, your things will remain free, not really. और उसमें एक लिमिटेशन आता है. हमेशा वो याद दिलाओ कि मुझे सब नहीं आता, पर अच्छा शायद कुछ आतिका को आता है जो दर्शना को नहीं आता, तो दर्शना क्विकली से अच्छा ग्रुप में हम लोग इसका कलेक्टिव लर्निंग कैसे बनाएं, कोई इस चीज पे स्ट्रांग है, अच्छा कोई कॉमन मॉड्यूल बनाएंगे तो किसका क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, चलो एक दूसरे को हेल्प करें. दैट्स वेयर द टीम वर्क रियली प्लेज. अकेले आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो और आज आप लोग 40 लोग मिलके कुछ काम कर रहे हो, ऑटोमेटिकली द रिजल्ट्स विल बी मच बेटर बिकॉज यू ऑल आर ब्रिंगिंग योर रिस्पेक्टिव स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड यू आर आल्सो लर्निंग, सो यू आर ओनिंग अप योर एरियाज ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट एंड वेयरएवर यू आर वीक इन. एक है सोशल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, एक लोडेड वर्ड है, लोडेड फ्रेज है. इट इज पॉसिबल एंड इट्स जस्ट नॉट अबाउट सम लार्जर इशू कि एजुकेशन बोल रहा है, मैल न्यूट्रिशन बोल रहा है, वो सब है, बट it is possible because it's about people and it's about coming together and doing something about it. And you know, always stack up, जो भी कर रहे हो ना, कुछ पढ़ा रहे हो, आज कुछ मॉड्यूल कर रहे हो, बारे में बोलो कि आज कोई रोल मॉडलिंग का क्लास है, कोई रोल मॉडल का सेशन करवा रहे हो, कुछ भी है, स्पोर्ट्स का इवेंट करवा रहे हो, just try to identify what's the purpose behind you doing it. And hence, if we can be of any help, because you know, I have seen that to be proving to be quite helpful for the volunteers and the teams I work with. Guiding vision, and you have to constantly you know, refresh it. 20 साल पहले आपके सीनियर्स लोग जो शुरू किए थे, उसमें आप लोग क्या हर 1-2 साल उस पर रिविजिट करते हो कि वो विजन था, अच्छा अभी कुछ चेंज आने की जरूरत है, पर्पस वही रहेगा क्या, दूसरा कुछ करने की जरूरत है, शायद ये तब नहीं है. Look at that, why are you teaching these children? कभी वो एक्सरसाइज अपने में करो. I will be most happy at any time for any such exercise to be a part. I have found this, that you know, volunteers often say that वो visioning कभी-कभी बहुत, हमारे ये बच्चे हम लोग क्या चाहते हैं, इनका मतलब 1 साल ठीक है, पर लार्जर विजन क्या है, मतलब IIT कानपुर का प्रयास is such a wonderful, what sort of a vision, what sort of thing we are adding on to the larger movement, setting an example, inspiring people like us, that if we can do it, you can do it. Good work, because islands of excellence होता है, कोई ये काम कर रहा है, कोई अलग कर रहा है, कोई किसी के बारे में नहीं जान रहा है, कोई किसी को अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर रहा है, कोई किसी के गलती को नहीं सुधार रहा है. So then you know, you just become mechanical. मेरी एक्टिविटीज है, मेरा ये रोल है, मुझे आज जाके ये सिखा के आ जाना है, बस उसको पता नहीं कि लार्जर चेंज क्या है. And you know, what I would like to say that हमारा vision, of course, you know, our vision is that, you know, Christ's vision says that every child having a happy, healthy and creative childhood, but nothing can be possible being alone. आज आप लोग का 40 लोगों का टीम है, या हम लोग हैं क्राइम में, whatever little we could manage to do in these 42 years, it was because people like you know, always showed faith, always came in saying, we are doing this, can we join in? And can we add on our strengths, and can we do it together, because we believe in each other. Stood for. अभी luckily कोई बोलता है क्यों ट्रस्ट करें, हम लोग बोलेंगे कि 40 साल बिना ट्रस्ट के नहीं सर्वाइव कर. If people have volunteered, if people have donated, somewhere you know, they felt कि if I'm giving time, if I'm giving money, if I'm spreading the work about the cause, somewhere they have seen कि उसके results हैं, बच्चे दिख रहे हैं और वो काम हो रहा है. कि आप अपने काम के विजन या एक्सपेंस को कितना इंस्पिरेशनल बना सकते. And it doesn't need experts, it needs people like you, right? Because सब चीज ऐसी, every drop makes an ocean ना. तो आप सोचिए, इंडिया में इतने इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, इसलिए हम लोग बार-बार बोलते रहते कि we love to you know, work with colleges and youngsters. चीज पे बात करना शुरू करें तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसे अच्छा हम लोग you know, we are not alone, there's something happening in that campus, something CRY is doing, some common campaign we can run together, because जितने लोग जुड़ेंगे आवाज उतनी बुलंद होगी. Right? Rather than me sitting here and just talking to 10 of you and me saying that, okay, let's go, and once the session ends, maybe, you know, meet as a larger Prayas team, or also say, अच्छा बहुत Prayas team के beyond भी हमारे दोस्त हैं जो Prayas के partner हैं. Volunteering it need not be कि इसी definition, larger campaign कर सकते हैं क्या? Many colleges who say कि हमारा ये fest होता है, can we do something together? क्योंकि fest में automatically students बहुत interested होता है, कुछ बहुत हल्ला वाला चीज होता है, कोई इवेंट होता है, कोई बर्थडे को जाता है, अच्छा उसमें भी कुछ घुसा सकते हैं क्या? लॉट ऑफ कैंपसेस डू दिस कि क्राई के साथ मिलके कुछ ये वाला भी लाते हैं फेस्ट में, या कोई बड़ा सा हम लोग का कॉन्क्लेव होता है या कुछ होता है, अच्छा वहां क्राई वाला भी कुछ लाते हैं, या मैं कह रही हूँ कुछ वॉलंटियरिंग वाला लाते हैं, कि ताकि सीमित न रहे, एंड यू कैन स्प्रेड दैट, यू गो बैक एंड यू योर sister be a part of a volunteering, or your brother or your friend, or tell about this to your faculty and he or she gets interested and says कि चलो ऐसा कुछ करते, कोई research करते, right? So that's how I think at the end, you know, this is something which used recently for our volunteer day celebrations, and honestly it also makes you feel very happy. You know, this year when you know we went back asking volunteers, that I said, you know, thankfully I volunteered and it kept me stable. Easy, itne unpredictable thi, and you know, things were not going right, our exams got postponed, or you know, our my job had got shifted, and they said कि अभी job offer no longer is there. Thankfully, because I was doing something else beyond me, I survived. I could find my share of happiness. So with that, I think I have, in conclusion, I honestly see it as just one of the sessions to begin with. I would rather, like where you people come up with a lot of ideas, and if you want to invite us and open up anything कि हमारे काम में ऐसा हो रहा है या हमारा vision ये है, हम लोग दोबारा से देखना चाहते हैं और currently we do this, can we do something more? या हमारा purpose ये है, and if you think we can be of any value there, और आप लोग कुछ बताओ, and we can have rather a discussion rather than like आज पहली बार था, so I just shared certain things from a cry point of view. That was my idea of doing it, but I would love to now, hear from each one of any afterthoughts, because this was something very spontaneously, you all invited me for, and I'm so happy. Now over to you, each one of you, as to anything that struck you, or still you're not clear, or you think that maybe you people already do it in prayas and you would want to perhaps strengthen that further. Anything, like as we end, if you can share that.
Could everyone turn their videos on and audio, and let's participate later?
Yeah, please. That would be great, huh? It's too much of a one-sided thing. So now over to you. Anyone can start, share anything.
If any Y20 would like to share how they started, how they joined Prayas, and why they joined it.
There are no right or wrong observations, and nothing to feel hesitant कि इसके बारे में contextual. Anything. It may be your motivation to volunteer, to something which struck you as we were sharing these slides. Anything about prayas and the way you people work.
Bhumi, Akanksha, Gautam, Satyansha, if you'd like to share.
Other things which you think that we need more discussion, or शायद इस पे हमें लग रहा है कि हम लोग और कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे, करना चाहेंगे. Janvi, you may start with yourself.
Yeah.
That might inspire others to add on.
I mean, there wasn't any opportunity when I was growing up to give back. Like how people say we want to give back to society. There was no opportunity that I found for IIT. At most, we would go like on my sister's birthday or my birthday, my family would give chocolates or food to the nearby like kids who lived in slum areas, and we would do that. But that was all like our limited contribution, which was. But like first week of IIT Kanpur, there was orientation sessions going on, and they introduced us to this Prayas and this community welfare cell. You can actually, actually had an opportunity to do something. And I was like, yeah, I've been teaching my cousins, and I've like neighborhood kids. They had doubts. They'd come to me, कि दीदी ये समझा दो, ये कैसे करते, ये कैसे करते. It's like I could do that. इसके अलावा कभी opportunity नहीं थी, and now there is. The 18th November, I remember 18th of November college started. In 25th of November, I was an official member of Prayas.
Okay, so that was a real quick decision. Great.
Yeah,
so for you, it was just like you were waiting for an opportunity to maybe get started.
Yeah.
Really nice. Others, please. I think anyway we have stretched, so आप लोग quickly बोलोगे तो मुझे भी लगेगा कि anything which was of relevance or not. नहीं तो मुझे relevant नहीं था.
Akanksha, if you'd like to say. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, hello. Hello. Am I audible? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So, Gautam has something to share. उन्होंने ये chat पे send किया है. Gautam, Akanksha, you can unmute Gautam and we can hear it from him.
I think everyone can unmute themselves.
Acha, okay. So Gautam, it would be really nice if you can unmute yourself and turn your video on if there is no network issue. Okay, sure. Okay, then I'll read out. It's fine, Gautam. I'll read out his
Right.
text
I have.
when I look back.
Just read it.
My life has always been on the taking side. So having been offered this opportunity by Prayas, I try and give back to the society. I was intrigued from the very introduction of Prayas from the orientation. It turns out here also I'm on the taking part as I have learned so much from them. We all resonate with you, Gautam. I think हम सबको यही लगता है जैसे जानवी ने भी मोटिवेशन प्रयास ज्वाइन करने का या वॉलंटियर करने का essentially is to give back to the society because we all feel कि हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं से हमेशा we have been in the taking end but शायद it's not about giving or taking. It is a mutual relationship and society से हम कुछ लेते भी हैं और वापस भी करते हैं किसी ना किसी तरीके से और शायद वॉलंटियरिंग वाला काम जो है ये बेस्ट तरीका हमारे लोगों के लिए है and we resonate with this which is why we are all here and understanding more about volunteering. So Bhumi, Satyansha, would you guys have anything to say? आप दोनों प्रयास के बहुत active volunteers रहे हो, so we would love to hear your experiences.
Actually, volunteering in Prayas provides me stability. Like there are times, there was a issue recently and which messed up my mind a lot. And at those times only I found out about the circulating forms in the NGO class and volunteering stuff. And I really find that opportunity as a way to get out of that phase and try something new. And it actually has worked a lot. It has changed my mind completely. It is a lot better now. And somehow I started it as a distraction from the phase, but now it has become majorly a good thing, which like whenever I'm doing something or taking any class, it doesn't just changes my mood, it actually makes me happier. It feels nice to be a part of this, and it's nice to talk to students, children. In our classes also, whenever I'm teaching, the interaction, the ongoing small talks, they teach me a lot, like how children are able to stabilize their minds, simple problems, simple stuff. It is a learning opportunity for me as well, like not only the students I teach but as well as for me.
So wonderful to know that, Satyansha. Actually, मैं भी बहुत सारे ऐसे volunteers हैं जो कभी बोले कि I have undergone a phase of depression and volunteering helped me come out of it. And those are so touching. Sometimes ये बहुत मतलब normal stories में नहीं निकल के आते हैं. That how it makes you happier and makes you somewhat
it is very nice now. Yeah, it has become a part of my life. Like if I'm not taking a class in a week, it troubles me. I have to take the class. That is what makes me happier. It's nice to be here.
That's
incredible. Yeah, it started as a distraction, and now it's a part of such a significant part of your life. So nice to know, Satyansha.
So when we were saying that transformation, those stories.
Yeah.
Transformation, different forms.
So Bhumi, is there something you would want to say? We would really want to know what motivated you all to join Prayas. As Anupma said, कि सबके अलग-अलग various reasons हो सकते हैं, and all these reasons are always interesting to hear. So Bhumi, please go ahead.
So like start हुआ था जब orientation हम लोग का हुआ तो I came to know that Prayas is a community and all. So that day only I contacted the senior कि I want to be a part of this and all. So she okay, I'll give you the forms and everything. And then when I started teaching, so it was like, दीदी मुझे ये बता दीजिए, दीदी मुझे ये आ रहा है, ये नहीं आ रहा है. So it feels so much like they are trying to interact, they're trying to understand, and sometimes they're like, दीदी मुझे ऐसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे कुछ और बताइए. So finding new ways to interact with them. And then after the class they're like, दीदी आज मेरे साथ ये हुआ, and I did this, I sang a song. So all this is like really that makes me happy and content.
They find a friend, right? So I think it's just not that you are a teacher. You actually make that bond of friendship.
हाँ, बच्चों के साथ बॉन्ड जो है टीचिंग से ज्यादा डेवलप हो ही जाता है ओवर द टाइम. और प्रयास में हम ये कोशिश भी करते हैं कि इस पढ़ाई तक सीमित ना रह जाए. ऐसा वॉलंटियर और बच्चों के बीच में बॉन्ड हो कि बच्चे अगर किसी परेशानी से गुजर रहे हैं, मेंटल, इमोशनल या फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स जो काफी बच्चे और उनकी फैमिलीज फेस करते हैं, तो वो हम तक आके वॉलंटियर्स के थ्रू हम तक वो बातें आए और हम लोग सही समय पे उनको एड्रेस कर सकें. Samrud is our new volunteer. He has recently joined us. Samrud, do you want to share anything about your experience at प्रयास? आपने क्या सोच के ज्वाइन किया था और अभी आपको कैसा लगा? Newest members.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Samrud, you are.
So I've had experience in volunteering actually. So I worked in rural education in Rajasthan for a year. So in the future, I'm planning on, I want to do something on emotional regulation for children. Like I want to do a syllabus. So thought working in Price will get me more experience. I continue on the work.
Great. I already see varied and beautiful reasons behind your work.
Yeah. So Samrud, how has been your experience? How has been it with interacting with kids?
I mean, it's very, I've taught physically in classrooms, and it's online is very different, if I have to be honest. The interactions you have and the class size also is small. So I don't know, it's just been 2-3 weeks till now, so I cannot give a solid answer how it's been. It's a little difficult doing online, but it's fine. We have to adjust in the situation and try to do the best.
Initially थोड़ा online interactions में classes hold करने में थोड़ा सा problem हो जाती है. But I also joined in online semester. Issue नहीं होगा. Even Satyansha, I think you have also joined here online. Join किया आपने. Yeah. So initially थोड़ा सा problems होती हैं because again बच्चों के साथ वो bond develop करने में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा input करना पड़ता है. But बच्चे खुद बहुत warm और बहुत friendly होते हैं. They are very accepting and if you talk to them वो अच्छे से ही बात करते हैं. तो gradually वो हो जाता है. So we hope you have a good time here, Samrud.
Are you people having most one-on-one classes or like एक छोटा सा बच्चों का टीम बन जाता है और आप लोग ऐसे Zoom या WhatsApp?
छोटे से टीम्स होते हैं. सारी क्लासेस के जैसे WhatsApp ग्रुप्स हैं. बच्चों के ज्यादातर क्लासेस Google Meet या Zoom पे होते हैं. तो कुछ अराउंड 6-7 या मैक्सिमम 12-13 ऐसे ही बच्चे हर क्लासेस में हैं. जूनियर क्लासेस में वी हैव लेस स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज सब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जैसे ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाते हैं बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव स्मार्टफोन्स और समथिंग. तो जूनियर क्लासेस के बच्चों के साथ थोड़ा सा लिमिटेड इंटरेक्शन है, बट विद सीनियर एवरीबॉडी कैन ड्रॉप इन. Gautam is saying that बच्चे friendly तो है. नमस्ते भैया. I so relate to this. नमस्ते दीदी, नमस्ते भैया. It really does. Aditya, Anshula, Chavi, would you guys like to speak anything? Share your experiences. Yes, Akanksha, sure. Please unmute yourself.
मतलब initially तो ऐसा था कि since I was like 13 or 14, I knew that there is like an immense amount of. Can you hear me?
Yes, you are.
There's an immense amount of suffering in the world, you cannot, मतलब बिना कुछ किए तुम रोज सोने तो नहीं जा सकते. When you know that there is a lot of suffering, you have to do something about it to reduce it. So when I was in school, it was कि पहले give yourself the strength to help and then you start helping them. But अब कॉलेज में है, अब अपॉर्चुनिटी है, तो कम्युनिटी वेलफेयर सेटअप कुछ ज्वाइन करना था एंड प्रयास seemed the most suitable for me. और अब बच्चों की क्यूरियोसिटी देख के बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Like, it's fun to see children asking questions about things that I've been passionate
I think
about.
then it's all worth it. नहीं मतलब कभी हो जाता है ना कि बाकी कुछ रीजन पर जब ये सुन नमस्ते भैया या कोई क्यूरियस क्वेश्चन कर दिया, कुछ प्यार से बात हो गई, तो यू थिंक बाकी सब मैनेज हो जाएगा, बट वी कांट लेट इट गो.
आई थिंक ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलना, अपॉर्चुनिटी सही समय पे मिलना ये काफी ज्यादा जरूरी है. बिकॉज जैसे जानवी और आकांक्षा ने बताया, मुझे भी हमेशा से ही वॉलंटियरिंग का कुछ रहता था कि मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ या क्या कर सकती हूँ. बट it always was that I never had कि कहाँ जाके या like what who are the right people, what are the right organizations, कि मेरे जो एक्शंस हैं वो हेल्पफुल हो पाएंगे मेरे एम्स से, किन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से वो मैच करेंगे. ये सारे इश्यूज होते हैं और वो IIT कानपुर में आके प्रयास के थ्रू थैंकफुली लाइक वी डिड नॉट हैव टू लुक एनी फर्दर. यहाँ पे वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाती है, तो एक वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बात हो जाती है. इवन दो अ लॉट ऑफ अस वांट टू वॉलंटियर, बट दैट इंटेंट इज नेवर translated into actions because of lack of right opportunities, या हम लोगों की खुद की limitations होती है कि हमें awareness नहीं है. Organizations तो होंगे, तो आई एम श्योर कि यहाँ पे कई NGOs होंगे जो काम कर रहे होंगे बच्चों की एजुकेशन के लिए या सब कुछ, बट मेरी खुद की अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है कि कौन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है या कैसे वर्क कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज अगेन कई सारी चीजें हमें उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के बारे में देखना होगा या करना होगा. कहीं भी जाके ऐसे ही नहीं ज्वाइन कर सकते. तो
वो लोग भी जो वॉलंटियरिंग में भी होता है ना कि आप चॉइस लेते हो कि अच्छा कौन सा इशू है व्हिच आई एम रियली पैशनेट अबाउट और वो संस्था करता है. इज दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्रेडिबल?
या
ऐसा नहीं कि रैंडम कोई भी संस्था आप ज्वाइन करो, तो
ये
वो
सारे
सब फिर पता नहीं चल
अपनी मैनेज करना है, उसके साथ फिर ये सब चीजें फिर लगता है ये काफी टायरिंग लगता है रिसर्च करना पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में. तो फिर ये बार बार डिले हो जाता है कि हाँ बाद में करेंगे जब जॉब करेंगे तब करेंगे, ऐसी चीजें होती रहती हैं. फिर फाइनली हियर व्हेन आई जॉइंड हियर, तो इधर ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई. सो आई गेस ये भी इससे भी सब लोग रेजोनेट कर पाएंगे इस रीजन से भी, ये व्हाई पीपल स्टार्ट वर्किंग विद प्रयास हियर.
एग्जैक्टली एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द एक बार मुझे बहुत मन करेगा क्योंकि आज सभी में मोटिवेशन बिहाइंड जॉइनिंग प्रयास, और क्योंकि मुझे आज ही इतने वैरायटी ऑफ रीजंस मिले एंड इट वाज सो नेचुरल. एंड आई वुड हैव वंडर्ड कि अगर बहुत एक ही तरीके का होता कि मुझे हमेशा से बच्चों को पढ़ाने की ड्रीम थी बचपन से, तब लगता कि नहीं ये तो बहुत सीखी सिखाई वाली ऑब्जेक्टिव है, right? But it would have been anything as simple as that, it was a difficult phase. I wanted a distraction too, that somewhere थोड़ा guilt कभी रह गया था, कभी मौका नहीं मिला था पर हो गया, या कहीं I was just waiting कि यहाँ आकर मुझे तुरंत पता चल गया. But I think it's so valid. अक्सर many people say we just don't know where to volunteer. We want to, but information नहीं है. भी हम लोग कहते हैं कुएं को प्यासे के पास ले जाओ. It's not always that the प्यासा will reach. And how you make, even हमारे क्राई में भी हम लोग का चैलेंज होता है. Many people would write to us saying that I am from so and so town, doesn't cry work here? And we would initially very sadly say कि नहीं हम लोग तो सिर्फ यही 4 cities में काम करते हैं. हमारा volunteer projects तो remote rural areas में भी हैं. तो अभी जैसे ऑनलाइन के चलते इतने volunteers ज्वाइन करते हैं कि you have reduced the barrier, because ऐसा नहीं है कि आज मैं शिलोंग में बैठी हूँ या आज मैं कहीं भी भागलपुर में बैठी हूँ एंड आई कांट वॉलंटियर जस्ट बिकॉज कि मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ, या जस्ट मैं क्योंकि मैं 15 साल की हूँ या मेरा कोई प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. Right? So I think that's the wonderful thing which I would rather want to say कि हर मेंबर का core motivation क्या रहा ज्वाइन करने, because that's a very good start. And I would really love कि फ्यूचर में कभी मे बी अभी तो आप लोग के एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, फिर एक ब्रेक होगा, कभी भी वापस से whenever you are regularly working, because we do that with many student chapters and with the volunteer groups, that whenever you think that anything where we can strengthen the cause, because finally it's about children. आप लोग एक तरीके से एक विजन में काम करते हो, हम लोग एक तरह से काम करते हैं. If both keep exchanging things, there's a lot of things which can be done in collaboration, and you people can champion certain experiments which are, we can say that, see, such a beautiful students group in IIT Kanpur is doing, because we have a platform where many other such दोस्त लोग जानेंगे. जैसे मैं आप लोग को एग्जांपल दे रही थी, कह रहे हमारे दिल्ली के इस कॉलेज में ऐसा होता है, IIT खड़गपुर में ऐसा हुआ है. वी ऑलवेज फाइंड दोस एग्जांपल. और एक फाइनल मुझे लगता है कि कहीं भी जो वॉलंटियरिंग है ना, एक मैं आप लोग के बात से भी अभी मुझे दिमाग में आया that things which strikes me whenever I plan anything new. एक है is my volunteering or the volunteering program talking of equality and just society. Because आज जो एक आप ही लोग में से कोई कह रहे थे ना कि बर्थडे में मान लो एक चॉकलेट बिटवा दी, हम लोग भी बचपन में बहुत करते थे. लेकिन मुझे लगा कि उस बच्चे के जीवन में उसके बाद कोई परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि that child became happy to get the chocolate on that day, but that didn't change the life of that child to become you, right? So did that action really matter? And it's not that that wasn't good, it was about questioning yourself that did it make anything more equal. हम लोग का सोसाइटी इतना बटा हुआ है, इतने चीजों में डिवीजन है, your volunteering somewhere should make certain things more equal. एक लाइफ टाइम में नहीं होगा, एक साल में नहीं होगा, but when you see that happening gradually, when you say कि next time when we meet these children, they are dreaming, they are as confident as we are, and it's not a reason कि just because they were born poor that they have only this much to achieve. तो वो हमारे वॉलंटियरिंग से कैसे इक्वालिटी या जस्ट सोसाइटी की बात करते हैं. सेकंड जो हमेशा लगता है, कभी हम लोग कहते हैं ना वॉलंटियरिंग, हाँ अभी वी आर टू बिजी. I said, why can't, I have a vision as Scribe. Volunteering should become a habit. Just like as you wake up, even if you have exams, you brush your teeth. Even if you're sad, you brush your teeth, right? Even if you're lazy, you may wake up late, but you brush your teeth. Volunteering should be a habit. Preach करके जबरदस्ती नहीं, क्योंकि volunteering itself, the notion be negated if you say it has to be forced, right? Volunteering आपका अंदर से आना चाहिए. पर अगर वो वैसा एक choice हो जाए ना, which is like part and parcel of your life, कि जैसे मैं उठती थी, मैं ब्रश करती हूँ, वैसे मैं volunteering करती हूँ. मैं जितना बिजी हूँ, मेरे एग्जाम से, मेरा काम है, कॉर्पोरेट जॉब है, मुझे 24 घंटे में 26 घंटे काम करने पड़ रहा है, पर it's oxygen. Again, one volunteer in one of the panels, he was saying, and he just picked up, I never heard him say this. He's a one of my very hardcore data analytics पे हम लोग को help करता है. He's into a very pressing job. मतलब अक्सर होता है लगातार 3 दिन काम कर रहा है या ये, पर जब भी कोई कमिटमेंट लिया है, फिनिश किया. तो उसको किसी ने पूछा कि अच्छा आप तो अच्छा ये काम करते हो, उसने कहा मैं एक ही चीज बता सकता हूँ. And he was quoting the thing which one of the films आप लोग ने देखा होगा ना, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, and Farhan Akhtar was being asked that आप करते क्या हो, and he said I'm a copyright or something, and नहीं आप अपने लिए क्या करते हो. So he linked that and he said that अगर मुझे कोई पूछता है तो मैं कहता हूँ पैसे के लिए मैं अपना काम करता हूँ, अपने लिए मैं क्राइम में वॉलंटियरिंग. So he says I have a clear distinction, I need money, and that's my profession, that's like my professional qualification. But what makes me who I am, what keeps me happy, is when I volunteer. And he is one who doesn't, his work is not directly with children. As I was saying, he's locked into research and analytics for us. He beautifully sees the link, मैं ये काम करता हूँ तो उसके outcome में ये काम possible होता है. And he's one of the most committed volunteers I have currently, and one of the most busiest in convenient reasons of not doing something. तो आप लोग वो choice जब लेते हो कि one of you told ना कि मैं इस दिन join किया और एक हफ्ते में आई, was part of so those things that you immediately could relate कि अच्छा, that's a natural thing. मुझे लगता है nothing can be more powerful. So look, all the very best. I'm very impressed and so happy seeing all of you, like, doing this wonderful work. Let's just see that in, what are those areas where perhaps, we can keep cross learning, any sessions where you think, maybe larger team at suitable times, maybe just once in a month, we just catch up. उस पे कोई एक डिस्कशन चाहिए, या कोई स्पेशलाइज कोई एक्सपर्ट टॉक चाहिए, या बच्चों के साथ कभी कि ऐसे बच्चों का स्पेशलाइज सेशन से देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स व्हिच वी हैव बिल्ट एक्सपर्टीज ऑन एंड यू थिंक कि एक कॉमन सा अच्छा सा कोई मॉड्यूल एंड सेशन करवाना चाहिए, एनीथिंग और एनी कैंपेन। यू माइट थिंक कि चलो एक कैंपस स्पेसिफिक कैंपेन करते हैं। आईटी खड़गपुर ने एक बार किया था छोटू कैंपेन कि कैंपस में इतने कैंटीन्स और सब जगह वो बच्चे काम करते हैं और सब है छोटू चाहिए वो, तो लोगों को गलत। तो फिर उन्होंने कहा first thing let all of us do is stop calling them Chotu and ask them their name. At least have that dignity. And second, there should not be a single child working in campus. So they run a beautiful campaign. And, many things got changed. Many of those kids got enrolled. फिर सब लोग हरे पहली बार की हम लोग हमेशा छोटू बोलते थे, और इस बार that we knew the names और कहाँ से आते हैं, कि ओरिजिनल बिहार के हैं, यूपी के हैं, नहीं बंगाली हैं, उनके बारे में जाना. We treated them as a child with a face and a heart. Someone asking them about it. So anything which can be done in such ways. आप लोग कुछ एक इनिशिएटिव लो which is beyond प्रयास, बाकी दोस्त लोग जान रहे हैं, बाकी डिपार्टमेंट जान रहे हैं, ये विल बी एंड आईआईटी कानपुर की कुछ चीज आप इन कोलैबोरेशन विद क्राई ऐसा करो which is a pan India something which runs across all the IIT. So बहुत कुछ चीज हो सकता है, only a dream की कुछ बड़ा कर सकते हैं. The moment you talk, I think all the good work spreads. You can inspire so many. You inspired me, you can inspire so many others. I will go back on Monday and I will talk to my colleagues that, I spent time with you. So I will have so many wonderful stories to tell them. Sure, they will be inspired, right? So similar ways that every time you meet more people, the chances of those people volunteering wherever they are, with whoever, for whichever cause, that itself is a wonderful change, right? So all the very, I would be very, glad to meet all your friends subsequently, like, bits and pieces में कभी इनसे मिले उनसे मिले भी शायद it becomes difficult. I know आप लोग सब अलग-अलग departments और अलग years और सबके अपने commitments रहते हैं. I'm perhaps आने वाले दिनों में आपके exams है, जिन लोग आप लोग सब undergrad courses में हो, so all the best of luck for it. And let's just keep in touch. हाँ, अगर कभी भी लग रहा है कि कोई WhatsApp group बनाना है या मेल में कुछ share करना है, please do that.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
I will pass on a few links about some volunteering things which you may browse through whenever you have time.
Sure.
Okay, have a real good evening. Thank you.
It was a really nice talk. Thank you. काफी insightful था और I'm sure सबको अच्छा लगा आपको सुन के. Thank you so much, Didi. We'll definitely keep in touch and work together for children and for our society and for ourselves, actually.
Great. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Thank you so much all for dropping by. Bye.
Bye.